Welcome to our vlog. Cute hamsters and cute birds. Like and subscribe. Thank you.
Oh my gosh. You see that? You see that?
Yeah.
Oh my. They're like, are they mommy and baby? What are they? Are they friends? Look, oh.
Friends.
Smelling the other one. The other one is smelling the other one. Kiss baby. Okay, say bye-bye. 700. You're $749. It's so expensive, huh? My goodness, this one is so expensive. How about you? How are $29? I like this. I like the green. Oh, I like the green. This is $29. Hi! Hi! Whoa, whoa, whoa. I like it. Look, oh. So pretty. Hi! Fancy conure.
Ooh, I like that.
Wow!
Look, look, look.
$899. This is
Nice color. Look at that.
$900 bird. $900. Hold on, hold on. This is
Nagpapa-picture siya.
29 and 39. 29 and $39.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, this is 29 and $39. Hi. You're alone. Why are you so expensive?